Hello guys, welcome back again to my FB Live. This is your mentor Neil. So today guys, yung tatalakayin natin ngayon is about yung ginawa kong trades kahapon in the Forex and index market. So again, as you may know that limited lang yung mga pairs na tinitrade ko at nakikita nyo yan sa right side of my trading view chart. Itong DXY and GXY ginagamit ko lang yan pang monitor, pero hindi ko yan tinitrade as an instrument. So DXY is the dollar index, GXY is the Japanese yen. So both of these two pairs are the pairs that determines if it is a risk on or risk off market. So risk on kapag medyo may panic sa market, nagsisell off yung stock market. So, but on the other hand, yung DXY at GXY ay inverse naman yung nangyayari. Bullish naman yung dalawang ito kapag mayroong market panic. Now, kapag bullish naman or optimistic yung merkado, yung stock market, itong DXY at GXY usually bearish. So, kahapon, itinade ko yung US 30, really a big win. Pound yen, big win as well. And gold, pero yung gold overnight trade ko, medyo napaaga yung pag take profit kasi nag-hold ako nito overnight. So sabi ko pag open ng London session, medyo nag-consolidate na lang siya, and I was expecting that it might just pull back again and we'll just find another entry. But I was bullish with this. And kapag hindi ko yun tinanggal, medyo makakaano pa ako ng mas malaking profit dito. But anyway, that was life. Well, actually supposed to be I should not be holding a overnight trade. Kasi yung plan ko is just day trade, intraday. So I need to close all positions, whatever is open, dapat i-close ko siya ng before 10 p.m. Central European time. Alright, so i-discuss ko lang yung ginawa kong trade kahapon sa pound yen. So pound yen basically, okay, so ito yun kahapon. There was an order block here at the left side, which is existing in the previous day. So as you can see, this pattern is a W pattern or double bottom pattern. Order block was set during the London session of the previous day, July 25. So kapag may order block, I'm expecting that that order block is getting respected by the price after some time. So hindi man siya i-respect in the next session, it might be respected in the next day or the next 2 days. So kaya nililabel ko yung mga order blocks na yan. So yun nga yung nangyari. As you can see, yung yellow pala is the order block. So you can see nang mag-rally ito, meron din order block dito. So price respected that order block with first push, second push, and third. After the third push, we flashed down. So this is the one that happened yesterday during the London session, the light blue. We have an engulfing, and then we pulled back to retest this high bull candle, and then we continued to drop. So kung titingnan naman natin yung 1 hour time frame sa pound yen, so let's say it was here. Pound yen was basically uptrending from this point, July 12, up to July 20, and then peak formation pattern to form the high of the previous week, and the second high box. This is the highest box on the weekly basis, second highest box, and drop. And then where is the price respecting? It's respecting to the second lower box of the previous week, and it became the demand zone. So ito yung basis ko ng pag-trade ko at mga entries. So 1 hour downtrend, but this downtrend has been downtrending for more days. So typically 3 or 4 days. After that, we have a double bottom. And saan nangyayari yung double bottom? It's respecting the second higher box in the previous week. So magandang mag-enter. At saka as you can see also, meron tayong pin bar dito. So pin bar trading. So yan, I'll go to the 15 minutes after seeing that pin bar, which is this one. Back to the 1 hour, as you can see, that is the pin bar, but I'm not trading the 1 hour, so I'm usually looking at the 15 minutes and going to lower time frame for specific entries. So ngayon kasi nangyari na to, inaabangan ko naman yung retest ng price, or tinatawag na sa smart money as mitigation, price mitigation, kasi dito nag pumasok yung mga long sa market. At by the way, ito palang pattern na yan is basically stop hunt of this those who are long, those guys who set their stop losses below this here, so they get stop out. Actually, even in this low of this day, the day or whatever is that day, it's July 14, the low of that, all of those people who place their stop losses below that, they get stop out with this pam pam. So my strategy is more about looking for those stop hunts, like these stop hunt patterns, before I decide to enter the market. Now and then now this forms, kasi reversal na tayo, so there is an order block which is left behind, and I'm expecting price to respect those order blocks, and to determine my entries, I find some pin bars. And pin bars, pag nakita ko yung pin bar, hindi ako agad na pumapasok sa pin bar kapag nag-appear yan. Tinitingnan ko rin yung time of the day, kasi so usually the first hour of the session is a stop hunt. So kung may pin bar, I'm just getting patient. I turn to 1 minute and observe the price action on that lower time frame. Then nilalagyan ko ng entry. So for example, in that green box, wherever is that green box, that is my entry, and my stop loss is below the low of the pin bar. So, and then as you can see, is also this low is actually a round number, so hindi ko tinatapat sa round number yung aking stop loss, kasi prices usually revisits the round numbers. So ayun, that's rally. Ngayon naman, as you can see, saan ba dito yung trade ko? So yung trade ko is dito, bullish yesterday, pound yen. Then I took profit after the 5 p.m. So right here. So kung hinold ko pa siya, malamang mas malaki pa yung profits. But altogether, this is already very good. I was entering here. Okay, let's measure how many hours. So then you raise it up. So that is 3.6 hour. Maganda na. So kung hinold ko pa siya, that would have been 5.7, but ngayon yun nga, hindi ko na siya hinold, so I just stick to my rule that after 5 p.m. I should be liquidating positions. So usually I have 2 positions, by the way. Ni-split ko yung isa kong position into 2 half, para after 2 hour is reach, so for example 2 or 3 hour, I'll take out one of those position and then place the stop loss to break even. Para ngayon yung second position, wala na siyang chance na matatalo pa siya. So that's my money management or risk management sa aking trading system na ginagamit. And every day, I am also not allowed to place more trades than what I plan. So that's part of my money management and risk management, para ma-avoid ko rin yung overtrading. So dati kasi I was also really trading a lot, and if I'm trading a lot, okay, during good days I'm making a lot of gains, but during bad days, when you are over trading, those gains that you got in the previous day or two can get wiped out. So now I already teach myself how to become disciplined trader. Okay? So today morning naman, since stop hunt already happened here above the previous day high and the second day high, I've noticed a pattern. This is the Asian high and low. Then there is push 1, 2, and then 3. So we have here a peak formation pattern right above the round number. So I shorted the pound yen during the London session, but hindi pa siya nagma-materialize. My stop loss is right here. So I might be wrong, but I'm just following my trading system. So if it will be a losing trade, then I need to take that loss. So what is important is that I'm not over trading. So there is only a maximum amount of loss that I defined every day. So for example, in a 50k account, I'm just allowed to have a loss of $1,000 maximum. So that is my risk management. So I cannot lose more than that every day. All right, so we will see how this trade will go. So the London session the US session just started. So we'll see. Alright, so US 30 was also good yesterday. So as you can see, so here there were 3 order blocks that I was looking for. This first one, the second one, the yellow one, these 3 yellow boxes, rectangles. And yesterday during US session, nagkaroon ng stop hunting dito, and then the price couldn't really close above that. So I decided to short after 5 p.m. So makikita nyo, much more refined entry at 1 hour, 1 minute yesterday. So ang maganda dito kasi yung ginawa ko kahapon, this is the high of the day of the US session. I shorted it, where was it? So somewhere here. So shorted it to first position. Then nilagyan ko pa ng second position, which is just very close to my stop loss. At yung second position na yan, so my stop loss is right around here. Green. And then my second position is here. My first position was a little bit lower. So dalawa yung position ko. First, na-hit sa pag-breakdown dito, na-hit yung order. Then nag-pull back pa. And yung pullback na yan is actually stop hunt of those traders who already shorted it ahead. But their stop losses are quite tight. So luckily, I did not put my stop loss very tight. But instead, a little bit above the high of the US session. So I did not get stop out. And instead, I got some 5 to 6 hour after. Actually, hinayaan ko lang yung trade ko. Then pagbalik ko, 2 hours later or 1 hour later, naka 5-6 hour in the trade. Then kinuha ko yon. Actually, meron na akong target profit nakaset. Then meron pang isa. Nagset pa ako ulit ng isang order dito. After I took profit, I just placed another limit order, sell limit, stop loss here. So again, I'm just looking for risking 1 to make more than 2 hour. So that's always the kind of style that I'm doing. So if the trade risk to reward is very attractive, I'll take it, and I am not going to be afraid if it will be a loser or not. So as long as I am trading the setup, the pattern that I know, which has an edge, and I am following all my rules, so I will be in good shape in the long term. I believe in that. So right, so check naman natin yung naging pinaka ko ng I posted yesterday my trading stats. And itong trading stats na to, I'll show to you is 1 week trading stats. I hope you can see it. Let me see. Yeah. So, ano ba yung pag-interpret natin dito? So, basically, I have a 50k account and within 3 or 4 days, I have made $4,700 for that 50k. That's a really, really good amount already. That's around 7% within 3-4 days. And then, ang drawdown ko lang dito, so, if you are in a profit from trading challenge, the allowable drawdown that you can have in every day should be not more than 5% in one day. Kasi pag maglagpas ka dyan sa profit from trading, halimbawa sa my Forex fund, which we'll speak more about it later, once you reach that drawdown of the day or maximum loss of the account, so yung maximum daily loss should not exceed more than 5%. And I have only exceeded 1.7%. So the account did not go lower than even 2%, which is a very, very good indication of a good risk management. And yes, you can see the profit factor is 2.32. So in every trade that I'm doing, it has the system that I'm using has the ability to generate 2.3 R than my risk. So if I am risking one, if I get a losing trade, I lose one. But if I have a winning trade, most of the time it's above 2.3. So that's very, very good, guys. And even a 2R alone or 1.5R as a profit factor is already very good. As long as it's above 1, in the long run you will get very good you will be a profitable trader in the long run. Okay, so in the profit from trading is very, very important talaga na to be aware about the daily loss, and actually even in your own personal money trading you also need to practice the same, kasi that way you will avoid yourself getting wiped out. You will not burn your whole account. So, ano pa yung iba pang mga stats dito na importante? So, in my short trades na ginawa ko, so I did 52% short and 45% long. And on those short trades na ginawa ko, 50% of them are winners. So, my win rate is 50%. That's very, very good already. Guys, if you have a win rate of above 40%, you can be profitable already. But as long as your profit factor is more than 1 as well, then in the long run that account will be like this. So this is the kind of equity curve, guys, that we would like to see when we are trading. And it means this one, that if you are right in the trade, you are really making a lot of money. But if you are wrong, just a little bit of drawdown, you are right again, up again. And if you are wrong, just a little bit pull back, then or flat, then right again. So in the long run, guys, this will lead you to really long-term profitability. So that's what it means by this. Now, so short trades 50% win rate. As you can see, the long trades naman halos magkapareho lang. Sometimes naman long trades mas malaki yung win rates kaysa short trades, but this time my win rate for the shorts are much higher than the long trades. So but this is also very good, 45.8. That's already very good. So as you can see, this denotes indicates consistency in the strategy execution. So before, I learned a lot about my over trading, so that was the one that was always wiping out my gains. So I already corrected that, and I'm continuing to learn from those, and now becoming a more and more consistent trader. So that's it, guys. So if you can also notice yung pinost ko kanina, kung interesado kayo kahapon, interesado kayong mag copy ng trades ko. So it's not really the copy trading na madalas pinopost ng mga ibang traders, but I am looking for mga investors na willing mag-invest sa akin. So gagawin natin dito is that we go to this firm trading na mas malaki yung capital. Uh, Meron tayong tinatawag, if you go to the website My Forex Funds, ito kasi yung prop firm na kung saan ako ay kumukuha ng challenge. So kasi dito, instead of putting your personal money as a capital, dito you just need the challenge fee. So okay, pakita ko dito yung mga available na ano. So for example, kung group tayo, we can get a little bit higher para naman, kasi kung maliit lang na capital tapos i-subdivide natin yung profit, maliliit lang yung makukuha ng bawat isa. So para mas significant talaga yung magiging gain ng bawat isa, you will go for a higher capital. So kung mga 10 tayo, so ito yung ano, yung 499 yung kailangan na budget to buy the challenge. So kung 5 tayo na investors, tigwa $100 lang, kaya na nating bilhin to. Ngayon kung 10 naman tayo, tagwa 100 bawat isa, pwede natin kunin yung mas malaking ano, capital. Kasi pag mas malaking capital, pag nagkakaroon ng magandang ano, monthly performance, magandang performance, mas malaki yung isa-subdivide natin na ano, na profit, di ba? So naipasa ko na to dati yung 20,000, pero medyo maliit siya. So now I'm looking for a bigger capital, and I would like to achieve this by also involving other people, at para na rin makatulong sa inyo kung gusto niyo mag-ride on sa aking trading, di ba? So para lang to talaga sa mga interested. So if you are interested about this investing sa akin, ay mag-message lang kayo privately sa akin, and I will actually ask for your email, kasi I will be sending an email which describes ano ba yung magiging ano natin, approach dito, at paano tayo mag-profit split, ano ba yung gagawin natin. So I wanna make gusto ko talagang magano ng detailed na plan, at ano ba yung mga expected na outcome, at ano ba yung pwedeng mangyari if hindi natin mapasa yung challenge. So mga ganon. So again guys, this is just an introduction sa inyo, at kung willing kayo or interested, just write me a message in my FB, and I'm going to ask your email. We'll send all the details, and then we can also do a Zoom meeting para mas maipaliwanag ko siya ng mas maigi. And also, by the way, I'm also willing for the transparency of all the trades every day. Pwede kong ipopost palagi sa group natin yung mga trades na ginagawa ko, at ano ba yung naging performance niya. So transparency will always be there, and I believe that kailangan yan. So sa kagaya nitong mga group na investment. Alright guys, so again, watch out again for my next live FB, para bigyan ko rin kayo ng mga overview about this, and yung trading strategy na ginagawa ko. And by the way guys, if you would like to learn my trading strategy, so smart money concepts and price action, yan ang technique na ginagawa ko, feel free to message me, kasi I am offering a one-on-one session for this. Or if you are a group, then we can also agree. If you would like to have it in groups, we do Zoom meeting, and then we just subdivide the fee for the mentorship para mas magaan sa bulsa. Sabihin nyo lang sa akin din. Okay? Also, I provide signals daily sa Forex. So kung nagtitrade ka na at gusto mong magkaroon ng magandang signals, mga recommended pairs, so ito lang yung pairs ko, hindi ako ng iba, kasi pag maliit lang yung tinitingnan mo, mas mas quality yung analysis, at ito mga liquid talaga to na instruments. Alright guys, so let me check kung may mga tanong sa chat. So far wala, at kung napapanood nito sa replay, again, let me know kung may mga katanungan kayo, and just send me a private message, or or email, which I will write in the chat. So sinulat ko na sa chat. If ever you have questions or any kind of inquiries about what I just presented today. So God bless sa inyong lahat, guys, and have a great day.